Hello students, welcome to my channel Growing Maths. Here we have one numerical from geometry of class 10. AB and AC are two equal chords. You can see in the diagram. AB and AC are two equal chords of a circle having a radius of 5 centimeter. The center is situated here. The center is O, is situated at the outside of the triangle ABC. If AB equal to AC equal to 6 centimeter, AB and AC are of length 6 centimeter, find the length of the chord BC. You have to find the length of this chord BC. So we can start with here in OBAC, that is, it is a quadrilateral. So here in OBAC, OB equal to OC, radius, both are the radius, and AB equal to AC. This is given. Therefore, OBAC is a kite. This shape is called kite. Okay, and for kite, the diagonals intersect perpendicularly and one diagonal bisect the other one. So we can write, therefore, angle, here these two are the diagonal, that is OA and BC are the diagonals. Therefore we can write BC and AO intersect at right angle therefore angle OPB equals to 90 degree. If angle OPB is 90 degree, then OP is perpendicular on BC, and this is BC is a chord. So we can write, therefore OP perpendicular BC. Therefore PC equals to half of BC, as perpendiculars from center on a chord bisect that chord. So OP bisect BC, so we have PC equal to half of BC. Okay, now OQ is the perpendicular from the center on the chord AC. The length of AC is 6 centimeter. Therefore AQ is OQ perpendicular AC. Therefore AQ equal to 3 centimeter. Now we have to find out OQ. So OQ square, OQ is the perpendicular, so OQ square equal to hypotenuse square OA square minus AQ square. So I am writing directly. Okay, OA square minus AQ square. Now if we put value, OA, the radius of the circle is given as 5 centimeters, so 5 square, and AQ we got 3, so 3 square. So finally we have 16, and therefore OQ equals to 4 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of this triangle, means triangle OAC. Okay, we have to find out the area of the triangle OAC by taking AC as base. Then we have half into AC into OQ is the perpendicular or height. Again we can find out the area of the same triangle OAC by taking OA as base. So that time half half into base OA, then perpendicular become PC. Half into OA into PC. Now we can cancel out half from both sides, and as we want to find PC, so we are writing PC equals to AC into OQ. AC, the value of AC is given in the question, that is 6. OQ we got OQ 4, and here OA again radius, so 6 into 4 by 5. So we are getting 24 by 5. Okay, therefore BC, as we have got PC equal to half of BC, means BC equal to 2PC. So we have to write BC equals to 2 into the value 24 by 5. 24 by 5 gives us 4.8. So BC into 4.8 equals to 9.6 centimeters. So this is the required length of the chord BC. Thank you, students.